Hello and good morning, students. Dear students, you are welcome to this video lecture series. Today we shall have one more exercise based on present tense. Yesterday we had a practice exercise based on present tense. Today we shall have one more exercise based on present tense. In this exercise we will cover all the types of present tense, that is present simple, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous tense as well. Alright, and today's exercise is going to be a bit advanced, so be very attentive, pay attention to it. So let's get started. Present tense practice exercise. So we are going to cover present simple, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous as well. So see, let's go out now. It not rain anymore. You can turn off the radio. I not listen to it. The world change, things never stay the same. The situation is already bad and it get worse. Bad driving cause many accidents. We usually grow vegetables in our garden. Are you going to bank? No, I already be to the bank. I saw Tom yesterday, but I not see him today. You drive a car before? I meet a lot of people in the last few days. She learned English for 2 months. I am hungry, I not eat anything since breakfast. Ram is a teacher, he teach for 10 years. And how long you teach in this college? So dear students, these are the sentences for practice exercise for today's session. So let's have a look and let's see one by one. Let's go out now. It not rain anymore. Let's go out now. Let's go out now. It not rain anymore. Let's go out now. See this now. Let's go out now. चलो अब बाहर चलते हैं. Why? It not rain anymore. अब और बारिश नहीं हो रही है. This is the present moment now. What is the condition right now at this moment? At this moment, it is not raining. Got it? Let's go out now. अब चलो बाहर चलते हैं. Why up now? Because it not rain anymore. अब और बारिश नहीं हो रही है. So this is now. What is happening at this moment? At this moment, it is not raining. Alright? So here we will use present continuous tense. So it not rain. So right now what is happening? The happening is that it's not raining. Alright? So it is this not and V1 ing. It's not raining. Alright? Let us go out now. Why? Because it is not raining anymore. और बारिश अब नहीं हो रही है. हमें बाहर जाना चाहिए. Alright? You can turn off the radio. Turn off the radio. तुम रेडियो को बंद कर सकते हो. I not listen to it. मैं उसे not listen. क्या कर रहा हूँ? I am not listening it. Got it? आप चाहो तो रेडियो को ऑफ कर सकते हो. क्यों? मैं तो नहीं सुन रहा हूँ. What am I doing? Not listening to the radio. Got it? So you can turn off the radio. I am not listening. I am not listening to it. If you want, you can turn off the radio. Why? Because I am not listening to it. मैं इसे नहीं सुन रहा हूँ. You can turn it off. The world change. The world change. Things never stay the same. चीज़ें एक जैसी नहीं रहती हैं. क्यों? दुनिया बदलती रहती है. The world is changing. The world is changing every moment, every day. Okay, things are changed. World is changing. दुनिया बदलती है. दुनिया बदल रही है, बदलती रहती है. क्यों? Things never stay the same. चीज़ें एक जैसी कभी नहीं रहती है. So the world is changing. दुनिया बदल रही है. Things never stay the same. चीज़ें एक जैसी कभी नहीं रहती है. So this is general truth. कि things never stay the same. चीज़ें एक जैसी नहीं रहती. That is present simple tense. Why? Because the world is changing. दुनिया बदल रही है. Why? Because things never stay the same. क्योंकि चीज़ें हमेशा सेम नहीं रहती है. All right. So here we have used present continuous tense, and here it is given present simple tense. Things plural with plural verb, that is the first form of the verb, that is present simple tense. But here we have used present continuous tense. That world is changing as things never stay the same. क्यों वर्ल्ड चेंज हो रहा है? क्योंकि चीज़ें एक जैसी नहीं रहती. जब चीज़ें एक जैसी नहीं रहती है तो परिवर्तन होता रहता है. Got it? The situation is already bad. Okay, if you talk about this corona pandemic, so the situation is already bad and it get worse. और ये और क्या हो रही है? और बुरी हो रही है. वर्स, और बदतर हो रही है. चीज़ें पहले से बुरी हैं और ये और बदतर हो रही है. This is transition period. This is things are developing more. All right, this is developing phase. Got it? So the situation is already bad and it is getting worse. Getting worse means और बुरा होना, और बदतर होना, और ख़राब होना. So the situation is already bad. हमारी जो सिचुएशन है वो अभी पहले से बुरी है और ये और बदतर हो रही है. So things are going on. Okay, this is the transition period. Development is going on. Got it? And that's why it is continuous tense. Something that is happening right now. Something that is happening these days. All right? Bad driving cause many accidents. Bad driving, खराब driving बहुत एक्सीडेंट करता है. So that is general truth, general fact. ऐसा होने से ऐसा होता है. गाड़ी अच्छे से चलाने नहीं आती है सो एक्सीडेंट होने के चांसेस बढ़ जाते हैं. सो बैड ड्राइविंग हियर इज यूज एज अ जेरंड मीन्स वर्ब प्लस नाउन. सो इट इज वर्किंग हियर एज अ नाउन, एज अ जेरंड. इट इज सिंगुलर. विद सिंगुलर विल यूज द सिंगुलर वर्ब causes, CAUSES. बैड ड्राइविंग causes many accidents. खराब ड्राइविंग से बहुत सारे एक्सीडेंट होते हैं. Got it? We usually grow vegetables in our garden. Usually means generally. Usually means generally. Okay? हम generally क्या करते हैं? हमारे गार्डन में सब्जियां उगाते हैं. So this usually shows generally, प्राय. Generally, usually हम सब्जियां उगाते हैं. So that is the practice that we have evolved, that we have developed. कि हम हमारे गार्डन में प्रायः अक्सर सब्जियां ही उगाते हैं. दिस इज द प्रैक्टिस दैट वी हैव इवॉल्व्ड, दैट वी हैव डेवलप्ड. सो हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट रूटीन, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट हैबिट, एंड व्हेनेवर वी टॉक अबाउट हैबिट दैट इज ऑलवेज प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस. ऑलराइट, सो दिस यूजुअली टेल्स अस that it is present simple tense. Usually, generally, regularly, okay, seldom, often, always. These are the time adverbials which are generally used in present simple tense. All right, and this usually tells us that here in this sentence we are talking about some habitual action. Got it? So this usually tells us that it is present simple tense. For present simple tense we use always first form of the verb, and here we is already plural, first person plural, so here it will be grow as it is, not grows. Okay, third person singular noun we add v1 plus s or es, but here we is already first person and plural noun. Got it? Yes. Are you going to the bank? आर यू गोइंग टू बैंक? क्या आप बैंक जा रहे हो? नो, आई ऑलरेडी बी टू द बैंक। मैं ऑलरेडी बैंक में आया हूँ, या मैं ऑलरेडी बैंक जाके आ गया हूँ। ओके, सो दिस ऑलरेडी क्या बता रहा है कि ये काम अभी हो चुका है। सो इट इज़ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस, जो काम आपने हाल ही में कर दिया है। मैं आपको प्रेजेंट टेंस पढ़ा चुका हूँ। आई हैव टॉट यू प्रेजेंट टेंस एंड नाउ वी आर हैविंग प्रैक्टिस एक्सरसाइज बेस्ड ऑन प्रेजेंट टेंस। ऑल राइट, गॉट इट। सो मैं बैंक जाके आ गया हूँ मीन्स रिसेंटली यू हैव डन समथिंग, गॉट इट। So this is present perfect tense, and in present perfect tense we use have verb third form or has and verb third form. Since it is I, with I we always use have. I have already, be second form, was were second form, third, been third form. I have already been to the bank. नहीं, मैं बैंक नहीं जा रहा हूँ। क्यों? मैं बैंक पहले ही जाके आ गया हूँ, पहले ही बैंक हो आया हूँ। Got it? I saw Tom yesterday. This is past tense, second form of the verb. I saw Tom yesterday, but I not see him today. लेकिन मैंने उसे आज not see नहीं देखा है। This today time adverbial, okay, tells us something till this moment. लेकिन आज मैंने नहीं देखा, लेकिन कल तो देखा था, लेकिन आज मैंने अभी तक नहीं देखा है, आज नहीं देखा है। When somewhere you are referring to this present moment, okay, till this present moment, something happened, something not happened, that is present perfect tense. And in present perfect tense we use have verb third form or has verb third form. All right, so I, with I will use have. I have not seen. I have not seen him today. This today tells us, okay, this today indicates about recent time, or this today, okay, tells us that it is now, so far. कल देखा था, आज नहीं देखा है, means आज पूरे दिन मैंने नहीं देखा है। Got it? So we are connecting it to now, till this moment, today. And for now, for today, for this moment, this morning, this evening, we always use present perfect tense, and that is has, have, and third form of the verb. All right? Then you drive a car before. You drive a car before. क्या आपने पहले कार चलाई है? पहले मीन्स आज से पहले कभी चलाई है? आपने कभी कार चलाई मीन्स, okay, somebody, suppose one of your friends asking you, hey, may I drive your car? So you ask, क्या पहले कभी कार चलाई है? मीन्स आज चलाने के लिए बोल रहे हो, इससे पहले कभी कार चलाई है? आज से पहले, ओके, आज से पहले. So again we are connecting it to now, and for now we always use present perfect tense, and present perfect tense has a verb third form, and since it is interrogative question, so has, have will be used at first, and since it is you, with you will use have. Have you, third form of drive, drove, driven. Have you driven a car before? Here this before tells us that we must use here present perfect tense. Got it? Next, I meet a lot of people in the last few days. In the last few days, पिछले कुछ दिनों में. In the last few days means पिछले कुछ दिनों means recently, फिलहाल. इसका मतलब ही क्या हुआ? रिसेंटली मैंने बहुत लोगों से मिला हूँ. Got it? So in the last few days, पिछले कुछ दिनों में मैं बहुत सारे लोगों को मिला हूँ. So ये बात हो रही है रिसेंटली मीन्स यहाँ से लगाकर यहाँ तक. आज आप यहाँ पे हो, यहाँ से शुरू किया था, इन दिनों में इतने लोगों को मिले हो. अरे पिछले कुछ दिनों में मैं बहुत सारे लोगों से मिला हूँ. Got it? Means you are connecting from here to here right now. Here in the last few days I met many people. All right. So what will you use here? This recently talks tells us about this moment, okay, or the things that took place recently. Got it? So here, I meet a lot of people in the last few days. Recently I have met a few people. All right, so here whenever we talk about now or recently or just now, we use present perfect tense. All right, so I have met a lot of people in the last few days. See, in the last few days means from this moment to this moment, आज तक, and the last few days I have met a lot of people. पिछले कुछ दिनों में मैं बहुत सारे लोगों से मिला हूँ. Got it? All right. Then she learned English for 2 months. टाइम दे रखा है, 4 आया है, 2 months. सीन्स और 4 का यूज करते हुए टाइम आता है, दैट इज ऑलवेज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस, कि वह 2 महीने से इंग्लिश सीख रही है. अभी उसका इंग्लिश सीखना खत्म नहीं हुआ है. शी इज स्टिल लर्निंग. गॉट इट? सो शी हैज बीन लर्निंग English for 2 months. Why have we used here has been V1 ing? Because this for and this time tells us that something started in the past and the very same thing is still going on. Whenever something started in the past and the same thing is still going on and it is likely to be continued, all right, we use present perfect continuous tense, or such sentence or situation, okay, reflects that it deals with present perfect continuous tense. All right, and present perfect continuous tense we use have been or has been with V1 ing. Since here she, and with she third person singular noun, will use has. So has been V1 ing, that is learn, so it will become learning. So she has been learning English for 2 months. All right, next, I am hungry. I not eat anything since breakfast. I am hungry, मुझे बहुत भूख लगी. आई नॉट ईट एनीथिंग, कुछ नहीं खाया. सिंस मॉर्निंग, सिंस ब्रेकफास्ट, ब्रेकफास्ट के बाद से कुछ नहीं खाया. ब्रेकफास्ट जनरली यू डू इन द मॉर्निंग. ब्रेकफास्ट नाश्ता हम सुबह करते हैं. नाश्ते के बाद मैंने कुछ नहीं खाया मीन्स अभी तक कुछ नहीं खाया. गॉट इट? आई एम हंग्री, आई नॉट एनीथिंग सिंस ब्रेकफास्ट. ब्रेकफास्ट किया वो किया, इसके बाद कुछ नहीं खाया मीन्स इस मोमेंट तक नहीं खाया है. गॉट इट? सो अगेन इट इज present perfect tense. All right, for perfect tense we use has have, third form of the verb. So I am hungry, I have not eaten, I have not eaten anything since breakfast. मैंने ब्रेकफास्ट से अभी तक कुछ नहीं खाया. ब्रेकफास्ट किया वो किया, इसके बाद कुछ नहीं खाया. So I am connecting it now. All right. Ram is a teacher. He teach for 10 years. Again time is given and for is given, so has been. He has been teaching for 10 years. राम एक टीचर है और 10 साल से पढ़ा रहे हैं. Got it? How long you teach in this college? इस कॉलेज में आप कब से पढ़ा रहे हो? Generally how long, whenever is there and we use in present tense. Okay, it is always present perfect continuous tense. Okay, how long have you been teaching in this college? I have been teaching in this college for 5 years. I have been teaching in this college for 5 years. मैं इस कॉलेज में 5 साल से पढ़ा रहा हूँ. Means before 5 years I started teaching and I am still teaching and I am likely to teach. Okay, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Okay, next month. All right, got it? So Sam, how long have you been teaching in this college? आप इस कॉलेज में कब से पढ़ा रहे हो? So this is interrogative. All right. So dear students, so this was the practice exercise based on present tense, and we covered all present simple, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous tense. So dear students, so this is my advice. The more you practice, okay, the more you will get clear the concepts of the tenses. जितनी ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करोगे टेंसेस के कॉन्सेप्ट इतने ही ज़्यादा क्लियर होंगे. नाउ, रिसेंटली, ऑल राइट, जनरली, यूजुअली, हाउ लॉन्ग, ये सारी चीज़ें आपको समझ में आती रहेगी. सो आई एडवाइज यू Please do more and more practice. Do more and more practice. And if you have any doubt, send me a message or ask me. Alright, thank you very much. See you soon in my next video. Goodbye.